Most people think emergency funds are for working families. But what if I told you that retirees may need an emergency fund just as much, if not more, than someone still receiving a paycheck? Hi, I'm Stephen Crawford with Clarity Wealth for this week's Friday Fireside Chat. When people think about emergency funds, they often think of younger families building financial security. But the truth is that retirees need emergency funds too. In fact, having an emergency fund can be one of the most important ways to protect your retirement portfolio. Imagine the stock market is falling and your investment accounts are temporarily down. At the same time, you have an unexpected expense. Maybe it's a major home repair, a new roof, a vehicle replacement, medical bills not covered by insurance, or even helping a family member through a difficult situation. Without an emergency fund, you may be forced to sell investments when they're down. That's exactly what you want to avoid. An emergency fund serves as your financial shock absorber. It gives you access to cash without disrupting your long-term investment strategy and allows your portfolio time to recover when markets eventually rebound. For most people, a savings account or money market account is the best place to keep emergency reserves because the goal isn't maximizing returns. The goal is protecting principal, maintaining liquidity, and having access to cash when you need it. A good rule of thumb is to keep 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in your emergency fund. If you're self-employed, have variable income, or provide support to others, you may want a little bit more. And you never want to forget to review your emergency fund annually to make sure it still reflects your current spending needs. If you ever need to use it, make replenishing it a priority. Building an emergency fund does not happen overnight. You have to start by identifying the amount you ultimately like to have set aside and work towards it gradually through monthly transfers or investment income, Social Security income, tax refunds, or other unexpected financial windfalls. In many ways, an emergency fund is the smartest insurance policy you can own against short-term emergency fund needs. An emergency fund gives you confidence through uncertain times and helps you make financial decisions from a position of strength instead of fear. If you'd like help determining whether your emergency fund is appropriate for your situation, or if you'd like us to review how it fits into your overall financial plan, give our office a call. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.